Hello, fearless adventurers and lovers of crystal clear waters. Welcome to the channel where every trip becomes an epic tale of splashes, dreamlike landscapes, and of course, loads of fun. If you're looking for a spectacular spot in the Dominican Republic where you can enjoy without making your wallet cry, the Cibao region is the perfect destination for you. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of the best riverside resorts in this area, where nature looks like something straight out of a fairy tale. But before diving headfirst into this adventure, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our future getaways, where with a bit of luck, we might even be joined by a unicorn. Well, almost. Top 5 best riverside resorts in the Cibao. One, Salto El Limon. On the Samana Peninsula, specifically in the community of El Limon, lies one of the most beautiful and breathtaking gifts that nature has given to the Dominican Republic, the famous Salto El Limon. This stunning waterfall, located about 300 meters above sea level, has a 40-meter drop that creates a natural pool, perfect for a refreshing swim. The journey to reach it is an adventure in itself, and the view at the end is simply magical. 2. 27 Charcos de Damajagua, Puerto Plata. If you consider yourself a true adventurer, this place is your playground. With 27 natural waterfalls, you'll feel like Indiana Jones as you jump, swim, and slide down natural water slides in the middle of the jungle. Just don't forget your helmet and life jacket to feel like a real pro. 3. Rio Partido. Water's so clear you can almost see yourself fixing your hair underwater, though you'll probably end up looking like a porcupine. This river is the perfect spot to leave stress behind, float calmly, and enjoy the sounds of nature. 4. Cascada de Arroyo Grande, Salto Los Bueyes, Bayat. If you love places that leave you speechless, this majestic waterfall will treat you to a spectacle of freshness and greenery. Bring your camera because you'll want to capture this hidden paradise. 5. Cola de Pato, Rio Mata del Norte. This place is for those with adventure in their veins. Imagine jumping from heights into a natural pool with turquoise waters so bright it's like the sky fell to the earth. It's a truly magical nook hidden in the mountains. And there you have it, fearless explorer, the 5 riverside resorts in the Cibao that will turn your day into a movie-worthy adventure. Are you already packing your bags? Because after learning about these paradises, staying still is nearly impossible. If this video made you dream of your next getaway, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments which of these rivers you'd love to visit, or if you've already had the chance to experience any of them. Remember, on this channel, you'll always find the best routes to enjoy paradise without having to sell your soul to the devil or the bank. See you on the next adventure, where saving money and having fun always go hand in hand.